Thumbs up from our field staff. Let's get match number 39 underway in 3, 2, 1, go. First shots going up for the Blue Alliance off Leviathan Robotics, now backed up by Digital Dinos in the far field. Their autos doing a very good job staying around each other, both in taking artifacts from that secret tunnel zone, helping both of them stay well supplied as we keep on rolling in the autonomous period. Blue Alliance now sending more artifacts up and in. 27 points for now with 9 artifacts scored. 3 more off the Leviathans out of Oklahoma as time winds down in the autonomous period.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. Three, 2, 1.
Blue Alliance will lead 56-3. Red Alliance did get a leave on that. Their robot getting off the launch lines completely. As such, they did get a 3-point bonus. Now Red Alliance member 24-438 create the future out of Waukee, Iowa. They've got artifacts on board. One goes on up, falls right on down. Looks like that doesn't match the motif though, so that'll be a 3-point score for them. Now the Blue Alliance, both members working quickly to ratchet up that Blue Alliance score. Some quick gate management off the Leviathans, making sure that the ramp stays clear to load up artifacts. Artifacts are only worth their full value if they do fall down and in. So keeping that gate fully open is absolutely crucial to maximizing your own scoring. Digital Dinos taking up the far field, though, staying out of the way of their alliance partner, Leviathan Robotics. That nice traffic management really contributing to the high volley of scoring we're able to see out of this Blue Alliance, who now leads 143-33, with 45 artifacts up and 58 seconds to go. On the Red Alliance, 24-438 create the future, lining up with their turret, trying to get around Digital Dinos, though, who are playing some opportunistic defense on that Red Alliance member. Red Alliance trying to get the lineup. There they are. 2 more artifacts falling right on in. Looks like one of those did match the motif. 8 points right there. Another artifact coming in. Does not match the motif, though. 3 points to them. 30 seconds left to go. 176-48. Blue Alliance is growing a lead here. The question now is whether or not they can actually crack that goal ranking point. They'll need about 10 more artifacts to go on up in these final 18 seconds, now that we've heard the end game whistle, if they want that ranking point. 185-57 is the Blue Alliance lead. As Red Alliance lines up more artifacts, 24-438 create the future, pulling them on aboard, aiming high, but flying back into the base zone. They've now returned to base, possibly getting a full 39 will go.
Number 41. And now, good morning, Croft. Let's get to Red Alliance. We got 19652. Take you near.